Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
And I was tired of taking unexpected magic carpet rides every time I stepped on my area rugs because it was so slippery on my floor. So I found a solution with these little grippers that go on the inside corners of the rug from Techpro. Very easy to attach to the rug. You step down on them and that's it. No more magic carpet ride, no more sliding around. The rug stays exactly where you want it to be. So you don't have to worry about anyone slipping or the rug sliding, especially getting out of bed or anything like that. In the bathroom, you can even use these to keep your rug in place. An extra bonus is the fact that sometimes I get that annoying corner that lifts up and you can so easily trip on it with an area rug. But because of these little grippers from Techpro, the carpet is flat. No more flipping up corners for people to trip on, no more sliding around on the floor. Now the adhesive sticks to the inside of the carpet, not your floor, so you can lift the rug, reposition it, and place it right back down again. This has just been an incredible solution in my home. I only use one sticky gripper on every corner of the rug. Even my larger entranceway rug, you could put one extra patch in the center if you wanted, but as you can see, I haven't needed to because those four corners really stay tacked down. Even when I'm vacuuming, the rug does not budge unless I want it to, and then I can lift it up and clean under it. So this has been a total problem solver in my home. No more unexpected magic carpet rides.
And that is my point of view.